Hello everyone, and welcome. Glowing Star. Today, we are going to start with energy, focus, and no distractions. In a moment, you will see an image that we will describe using basic, intermediate, and advanced English. This will help you improve your vocabulary, listening, and speaking skills step by step. At the end of each level, we will learn new vocabulary words and their meanings to expand your English even more. Get ready to learn, practice, and enjoy the process. Let's begin right now. Basic English. Honoring God every day. I want to wake up every morning with a thankful heart. I thank God for my life and for a new day. I put on clean and well-ironed clothes because I want to look neat and show respect for myself. I brush my teeth, comb my hair, and take care of my nails. Good habits help me feel happy and confident. Every day I look after my body because it is a gift from God. I also pick up my Bible and read a few verses. God's word gives me peace and wisdom. I want to learn something new, so I go over my English lessons and practice every day. Learning English can open new doors and give me better opportunities. Sometimes life is difficult, but I never give up. I trust God because He is always with me. I also carry on with my goals even when I feel tired. I believe that God has a beautiful plan for my future. While I live, I want to honor God with everything I do. I want my words, my actions, and my thoughts to please Him. Every new day is a chance to grow, help others, and become a better person through faith, love, and learning. Vocabulary. Wake up. Put on. Look after. Pick up. Go over. Give up. Carry on. Intermediate English. Growing with faith and knowledge. Every morning I get up early because I want to begin my day with God. I pray, read the Bible, and ask Him to guide my decisions. Taking care of my appearance is also important. I wear clean clothes, keep my hair healthy, and smile with confidence because these habits show respect for myself and for others. After breakfast, I set aside time to study English. I know that learning a new language can lead to better opportunities in the future. When I find difficult lessons, I do not quit. Instead, I work through each problem with patience. I also look up new words in the dictionary and practice using them in conversations. Sometimes unexpected challenges come up, but I remember that God is always faithful. His promises encourage me to stay strong and keep moving forward. Before going to bed, I think over everything I learned during the day and thank God for every blessing. I believe that honoring God means doing every task with excellence, kindness, and gratitude. While I continue learning new skills and gaining new experiences, I want my life to reflect God's love. Every day is another opportunity to grow spiritually, personally, and professionally while trusting His perfect plan for my future. Vocabulary. Get up. Set aside. Lead to. Work through. Look up. Come up. Think over. Advanced English. Living with purpose, excellence, and faith. Living a meaningful life requires discipline, gratitude, and unwavering faith. Every morning I start off by thanking God for another opportunity to grow. I believe that honoring Him includes taking care of my body, my mind, and my character. Wearing elegant, well-kept clothes, maintaining healthy habits, and showing kindness reflect the respect I have for God's creation. I constantly seek out opportunities to improve my knowledge and develop new skills. Learning English allows me to communicate with more people and prepares me for international opportunities. Whenever obstacles appear, I deal with them calmly, trusting that every challenge has a purpose. Instead of avoiding difficulties, I push through them with determination and faith. As I gain experience, I always hold on to God's promises because they remind me that His plans are greater than my own. While I am alive, I want every decision, every achievement, and every relationship to glorify God. My greatest desire is to continue learning, serving others, and walking faithfully with Him, knowing that true success begins with a heart fully devoted to God. Vocabulary. Start off. Seek out. Deal with. Push through. Hold on to. Reach out. Look back on. Great job today. Glowing star. Today, you made progress, and if you continue practicing like this every day, you will become better and more confident in English step by step. Remember, every small effort brings you closer to your goals. Keep learning, keep improving, and never give up. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something new today. I'll see you in the next video, specially made for you. Rocket.